Let's look at how we can boost profits in our business by upselling using kits. Kitting is a Windward System 5 feature that automatically creates a sales SKU and pricing for a group of items. Let's take a look at a garden center using kits to upsell an all-in-one tomato planter. Watch as the items required to maximize the success of the planter fall onto the invoice automatically as we type in the part number. You can see that in this kit, the kit has automatically added things like the 4-gallon reservoir, the tomato cage, and even the tomato fertilizer that we know is going to be recommended to maximize the success of this tomato planter. So instead of having your sales staff suggest 1 or 2 items off the top of their heads, or worse, leaving purchase choices entirely up to the customers, your team gets to present as the experts on the topic and help the customer in the process. More sales, happier customers. Contact our sales team today and start using kits today to help your business boost profits and maximize your upselling potential.
Subscribe and hit the bell to be notified every time a new Solution Series video is released.